Well, for us it was important to think about the future customer. And so our key concept was to make a premium, very sporty, but also very elegant business sedan. You know that the previous K7, the current one, is a very successful car, and it's got a very good design. It's very well balanced. But with this car we wanted to go a step further. In a way, we still wanted people to recognize it as a K7, but it needs to be more. It needs to be more than that. And we made a much more prestigious and elegant front, more masculine, and the whole car is more stretched. It has a lot more dignity and elegance. It's got a long greenhouse, also very long and stretched window graphic on the side, and a very sharp line going down the side. So all these things come together and trying to make a design that is consistent from front, side and rear, so all the way around the perfect car. So when you move to the front, you can see we have chosen actually this negative theme, which is something new for Kia. It makes it more aggressive, but also with the vertical louvers in the grille, makes it more prestigious at the same time. And there's a very wide chrome piece that goes all over, from side to side onto the end of the headlamps. So it makes the car look very wide, and with some details, also like these shapes here, we try to make it more masculine and give it a distinct look. And even the DRL, we choose a certain shape that looks a bit like a C, and so then this line is continued all along the car, along the side, and also continues into the back. And this again gives the car an overall one consistent look. Come around the back, you can see that also the whole body shape comes together like like a fishtail almost. So it gives it this sleek look, which is very important. And then at this point is more inside than the wheels, so the wheels really stand out and give it a strong stance. And this is continued into the rear with a really nicely detailed tail lamp. And in this case, the tail lamps are connected by a chrome stripe, which makes it look very wide, which it is. And also at the same time, as a little detail, we also, in a good way, we are able to hide the button to open the boot. And it's nicely integrated, so it has a very clean and very significant back end. And also when you overtake with a K7, you can recognize it behind as the new car, as the new K7. Most important things on a sedan is the front, the side, or the side, how it's made with how the greenhouse sits on the body, and the rear. And you have to connect those three. They have to make a remarkable front that is actually the result of the whole. So it connects with the body in a good way. And so this way also we had this C-shaped DRL that goes into this line all the way around the car, and on the side to create a nice connection of C-pillar into the boot. And give it, for me it's important that the car looks good from a distance. It's not so much about the detail. Of course we care a lot about the detailing, but first of all it's the big picture that is important. I think we have made another big step for Kia. We are making quite big steps, and Kia has evolved, or has developed into a very near premium, into a premium brand in the meanwhile. Also, for example, in America, in Europe, Kia has a very high, a very good reputation and a very good image. And this car is another step in this direction to bring Kia up a lot. And this is what we are working on, and this is what we're going to do in the future. I am proud about the K7. It's going to be a good car, and I'm looking forward to drive one myself. And I think it will look, once you see it on the street, it will look great.